Hey, I just wanted to add a quick video to the end of this. That's the first time I had done the Busse Woods Trail. It's a very nice loop. It's not incredibly long, but there's a ton to see, and I had no idea there were actually elk in Elk Grove Village, so that was very cool. When we originally did this ride, we did it as a part of a larger ride. You could see the Busse Woods loop here in red, but if you zoom in here to the intersection, this is where the Salt Creek Trail meets the Busse Woods Red Paved Trail. So we started all the way down in Villa Park. Let me zoom out a little here. So we went down past the Elgin O'Hare, Irving Park Road, 290, Lake Street, North Avenue. We started in Villa Park on the Illinois Prairie Path. So if you have access to the Prairie Path and you're interested in a good ride, you could take that Salt Creek Trail north. You could do the Busse Woods Loop and then come back down just like we did. But if you're already in Busse Woods and you're interested in extending your ride down, definitely consider the Salt Creek Trail. All you have to do is access the southern end of that trail, which would be right over here. And then you could make your way down as south as you want and then turn around and head back up to the loop. So if you're interested in checking out that ride, the Salt Creek Trail ride, you could go right up here and click that link. Thanks a lot.